prepare to feast with the beast and smash the like and subscribe button to join the gorilla family. Today, we're turning up the crunch with a sizzle of spice. It's Pakora time. Starting with ingredients, which we need potatoes, 3 pieces, egg shaved and plate, 1 piece onion, 1 piece green chili, 5 pieces spinach, 100 gram flour, 200 grams salt to taste, red chili powder, half tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ground dry coriander, 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 tablespoon caraway, 1 tablespoon bicarbonate, soda, 1 teaspoon water, as needed, and oil for frying. Watch and slice all the vegetables into a bowl. Now add gram flour and all the spices. Then add water. Now mix it into a thick dough form. Then add it to hot oil and form scoops one by one. Keep turning it in hot oil until they are golden, until they are cooked through. Then dry them with a paper towel and serve and enjoy. Thanks a bunch for indulging your taste buds with us. Until next time, stay hungry and keep savoring the goodness, and make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next video.